Maya, let her have the box. You run after her, honey. Where are you? Where did you go? Where did you go? I can't find Maya and Tamara. Where did they go? Where did they go? Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Ah! Are you hiding? Where's the box? What happened to the box?
My box?
Where's the box? Tamara, where's the box? Tamara, where's the box? Where did the box go?
Here.
Go get it.
Somebody's coming.
Somebody's coming. Oh no.
Daddy.
Oh no.
Going upstairs.
Hi.
Anybody else going upstairs?
No.
Bye, Daddy.
Am I going all by myself?
No. Mommy rescue.
Is anybody coming after me?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't see anyone.
Maya, be careful on your sister, please. Okay, let's see who can get upstairs first. Who can find Daddy? Can we go and find Daddy? Let's go and find Daddy. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Come on, let's go and find Daddy. Come on. Go and find Daddy. Where are you going? You going to bath? Okay, say bye-bye.